welcome. Making it in the mix today, we have the landlord, Erica, as she explains her struggles in life. She told stories of how she lived on the street, where she was forced to defend herself. She said that you can go to school without book, but you have to go to the street with defense. She explains that the street leaves a mark on when you've lived there. Everything is a fight when you live in the streets. The thing that hurt me more than all was when I got my cheese pan and started to cook and a man kicked it off of the fire. Even though my spoon was thick and my plate was banana leaf. Erica tells a story of strength. Stay tuned for the video and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.
All the social media, some people can't come listen upon. And through me, I keep my cool. When me did near Erica, me glad me didn't know social media and come on social media and not with social media. Because if I saw social media, that behave. But that they over photograph stuffs right now, sit down. I mean, I ask. You just get older and understand things more and can hold more. Remember, you know, street me I come from, you know, where people are kick me like football and spitting on my face and do. You know, see me with no knife, telephone cut, and then something there. Me I come from where you force to defend yourself. Force, as you will never make it. That's where I am coming from. You have to, you must. You don't have no choice. Not even going to school, you don't force you to read. Like how you're forced to defend yourself in the street. You can't go to school without book. You can't stay in a school without, in a street without defense. People, you have seen it every minute of the day. Remember in a street, you're there, so if another stone there, at the grill, at the box, at the phone, it's all surrounding you, so you see everything, including you most of the time. So you were forced to defend yourself. After. So, leaving from the street with, the street of mark. Anybody that grow a street and have mark and I lie them I tell. Well, when it come to my finger them, yes, me grab enough, chop enough. Ice pick stab, yeah, so ice pick stab there, so. But the greatest thing, and that used to wear in a me young days, telephone cut from your ears to your mouth. That we used to wear. And enough of that blood clot me dropping. Enough of that me pulling. See some of them see them we are at the place. Enough of them me pull. Enough. Because those days you say when you go in a glass you feel look so. Every look you look on your blood clot self you see Erica. Or you see that one they are so used to deal with it. Enough me pull. Enough me pull. That's why the finger you can't tell the tails. This finger here, this left hand here. So how much cut upon this? That shield from your face. And right hand I work back upon you. It's not like you grow up and get bad. Grow up and get bad different from when you grew in it, live in it. Remember, you have to fight for your food. You have to fight for somewhere to sleep. You have to fight for something to wear. Everything, it comes with that word. If you even sit down and next person pass and name orange and throw the rubbish on you. Somebody eat some food and before they give you the rest because you can't say no hungry, I kill you, you're that glad for. Then dash it on you. And whenever you get up and say, well, I've reached a point now where this have to stop. Me not take nobody again throw no food for me. Nobody can. That's when you start war for yourself. And when a boy come with piece of board and say, I'm going to beat you, you pop off piece of stall too. And make sure nail in a theme part. So when you lick him, he hitch. Then where they have the starting. So when you give him one slap out of that, he nail up in the head. I'm half left you alone. But when you lick him with the sauce board, it won't take too long for done. When you clap him with the nail and the nail sink in him, war done. And you can't get delivered on again and move on again. You have to always the one step ahead of him. Man, I can pit by you. Any day you get up, man, and say, you see all them something that will happen to me. Me know have anybody spit for me. Anybody throw no food for me. Me I'll start defending myself. You have some raw slick forget a whole lot. You get some raw slick a whole lot. No big trick me get, man. Me get little enough, man. You get the whole is for big trick, man. You have to be strong and focus and say, boy, I not take this and I don't want to live the life here. Yeah? The wickedest thing, what I remember what happened to me and all the things that happened to me, this hurt me more than all. I go get my cheese pan, you know. Not eating a days. And get my little cheese pan and I cook something. And a man come kick off my bumbo clot pot off a fire. Remember, you know, a piece of stick is my spoon, you know. And a leaf or cocoa leaf or something is my plate, you know. And my pot to blood clot is a cheese pan I beg in a shop, you know. And you left. No hard me have to go forget that little food there, you left. Come kick off my half pound of blood clot rice off a bumbo clot fire. Here I know you don't have nothing for near me rice with more little butter. Kick off that blood clot off a fire. My friend dead gone. Now I forgot. Woman friend me up, you know. So I don't like friend, you know. And so them will cook stew peas. Last week come only we take and buy canned pork, you know. People and cook stew peas and not give me none of blood clot, you know, after me buy all the canned pork, you know. Run me from all the yard, you know. I tell you after them yam and left me hungry. Now if it turn. Me have my fair share of experience, you know.
Now that's it for today, my nice clean blenders. Thanks for watching and look out for the new videos posted daily. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.